Okay. So in the question number 16, we have given an AP which is 3, 8, 13, and the last term is 253. And we have been asked to find the 20th term from last term. So when we need to find the 20th term from the last term, then the last term will become first term. So A is 253, N is 20, because question has given we need to find the 20th term. So N is given as 20, and now we need to find out the difference, common difference. So for common difference, we already have a formula.
-5.
B1, good. So that will be 8 minus 3 equals to 5. It's not -5, it is 5.
Yes,
But
sorry.
no, you don't need to. But because the question is asking to find the 20th term from the last term. So if we see this AP, it is in increasing order. We are increasing, so difference is 5. That is correct. But now because we are coming from the last term to towards the first term, so then D will become -5. Okay, that is fine, that 8 minus 3 is 5. But because D will be negative due to the reason that we are coming from the last term, so it will become -5. So I am writing it here, but now D will be -5. Up we have the formula an equals to a plus n minus 1 into D. The identity is given, the number 253 is A. We need to find the N. We have given N, we need to find An. So An will be here same. A is 253 plus N will be 20 minus 1 and D will be minus 5. We can calculate it easily. 253 plus 20 minus 1 is 19 and minus 5 will be minus 5 here. Now An equals to 253 plus 19 into 5 is
95.
minus 95. So An will be 253 minus 95. We need to subtract 95 from 253. So that will be
158.
very good. 158. So we have An as 158. So in this way, we can find out the 20th term from the last term. So whenever you have given that type of question where we need to find out any term from the last term, then the D, common difference, will be having a different sign. If you are having common difference as positive, then it will become negative. And if you are having common difference as negative, then it will become positive. So whatever the common difference is being found in the question, the sign of that common difference is going to be changed if we need to find out any term from the last term. समझ में आया?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Good. You can note it down now so that I can move to the next question. If it is done, we can move to the next question.
Yes.
Good.
Excuse me, sir, your screen is lag.
Now the question number 18. Question number 18 says the sum of the fourth and the eighth term of an AP is 24. So that is 24, and the sum of the sixth and the 10th term is 44. So that is sixth term plus 10th term is 44. Okay, so we have given the question, the sum of the fourth term and the eighth term is 24, and the sixth term and 10th term, the sum of the sixth and the 10th term is 44. We have given these conditions. Okay? We need to find the first three terms of AP. So for doing that, we need to know what will be the first term A and what will be the common difference. We need to find out A and D. Okay, so I am going according to the question. So fourth term, it can be written as A plus 3D, and eighth term can be written as A plus 6D equals to 24. While the sixth term can be written as A plus 5D, and 10 term can be written as A plus 9D, that will be 44. Now it will be A and A, so that will be 2A, and 3D and 6D, that will be 9D equals to 24. It is equation number 1. Similarly, A plus A, that is 2A, and 5D and 9D, that will be
14D.
14D. Very good. And that is 44. That is equation number 2. So equation number 1 and 2, they both can be subtracted, so I am subtracting it here. So 2A 2A, that will be cancelled. Now it's 9D and 14D, it will be minus
5D.
5D, and now 24 and 44, so the difference will be minus 20. D will be 20 upon 5, so that is 4.
4.
4.
We have common difference as 4. Got it now?
Yes, sir.
Good. Now we need to put the value of D in any of the equation. You can put it in equation 1 and or in equation 2. So I am going to put that value of D in equation number 1, and we'll find out the term A while putting the value of D in the equation number 1. I am going to do that now. So putting D equals to 4 in equation 1. So equation 1 is 2A plus 9D equals to 24. 2A will remain same. 9 and D is 4, so that is 4, and then 24. 2A equals to 24 minus 36. So A equals to 24 minus 36 is minus 12, and that is upon 2. So A will be minus 6. Now we have A as minus 6, and we need to find out three terms. So first term is here minus 6, so that will be minus 6, and we have D. D is plus 4, so the next term will be minus 2, and third term will be
2.
2. Do you know how we have done that?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So this is our AP. We can find out other values as well, but question is asking for three values, so we have find out the first value, the second term, and the third term. This is the question. You all can see here. Are you all able to see the screen?
सर लैग हो गई.
हाँ एक सेकंड.
सर
हम्म.
एक मिस्टेक है आपके आंसर में.
अच्छा एक सेकंड देखते हैं.
सर जो a+3d+a+60 है ना, वो a+70 होना चाहिए ना, क्योंकि 8th टर्म फाइंड कर रहे हैं.
Very good. So that is a plus
70.
70. Now that will be a plus 10d and that d will be
5.
4d and
अच्छा हाँ.
that is 4. That will be 5. So now nine into 5, it is 45. So
24 minus 45.
24 minus 45. So that will be minus 21. So now we have a as minus 21. So first term will be minus 21. Second term, for doing that, 21 minus 21 plus 5,
Minus
that will be
16.
minus 16, and next term is minus 11. Now you can do it.
सर अब एक बार पूरा बोर्ड दिखा दो.
Sure. दिख रहा है अब?
Yes sir.
I hope everyone have done this.
Yes, sir.
Yes sir.
So,
सर
हाँ,
सर आंसर गलत आ रहा है इसका.
आंसर गलत आ रहा है.
हाँ.
हाँ? एक सेकंड देखते हैं इसको. You're right. So A is it 21 by 2?
नो सर.
Then
सर 9D की जगह 10D होगा ना यहाँ पे.
क्या होगा? 10D.
10D.
हम्म. So A is minus 26 and the next term will be minus 21 and then it will be minus 16. अभी ठीक है क्या?
नो सर अभी भी गलत है.
अभी क्या आ रहा है आंसर?
आंसर आ रहा है माइनस का 13 माइनस 8 माइनस 3.
तो सर वो 2a इक्वल टू
13.
माइनस नहीं
नहीं सही है आंसर बिल्कुल सही है. Look, 2a plus 10d equals to 24.
सर
2a
वो 2
plus
डिनोमिनेटर डिवाइड में जाएगा ना.
हाँ गया
अब
ना डिवाइड में.
13 आ जाएगा ना माइनस 13.
बिल्कुल minus 13 आएगा. So 2a plus 10 into 5 it's 50 and the equals to have 24. So that 24 minus 50 is 26 and now we have 26 upon 2. So our a is minus 13 and d is 5. So the next term will be minus 8 and the next term will be minus 3. यही है?
यस सर.
Okay. You need the board now? दिख रहा है सबको?
यस सर.
So now we are moving to the next exercise. The last two questions were given in practice and I hope all have done those questions, right?
यस.
Yes, sir.
So now the next exercise. And before doing the next exercise, there are some formulas for doing that. Now, suppose if you have been given an AP and you'll be asked to find the sum of that AP. I can say like if you have given, suppose you have been given a pocket money and you have been committed that it will be increased by 10% of that pocket money. So suppose you have been given 100 rupees in the first month as pocket money and it is said that in the next month you will be given 10% increase in that pocket money. So 100 is the first month rupees, that's the first month pocket money, 100 rupees, and the next month it will be 110 rupees, and in the next month that will be 121 and so on. So suppose this has been given to you and you'll be asked, okay, after the end of 5 months, how much money you will be having. So whenever a question has been given in which we need to find the sum of the terms, this term 100, then 110, then 121, if we need to find the sum of these terms, then we'll be using the formula, we'll be using the identity of sum of the terms, and it will be in some different forms. So first, sum of terms will be, it can be shown by S, and that will be n upon 2 plus bracket 2a plus n minus 1 into d. That will be the first identity we'll be using to find sum. Sum can be shown by S. So first identity will be n upon 2 plus 2a plus n minus 1 into d. This is the first identity given to us. Now, the question can be given in different form. So there is one more identity, sum of terms, S equals to n upon 2 plus A plus L. That A plus L. L means the last term. We can be given first term with the last term, and we need to find the identity. We need to find the sum of the term, then we will use this identity, n upon 2 plus A plus L. L means last term. Okay, and the other identity is similar to this one, that is S equals to n upon 2 plus A plus An. It means you have given An any number of that term. If you have given that, then you can use this identity, n upon 2 plus A plus An. So these are three identities which we will be using in the next exercise 5.3. You can note it down.
सर एक बार दिखा दो पूरा।
शो करा ना, बोर्ड पे है, पूरा दिखाना है।
हाँ
ओके, ये लो। Is it done?
यस सर।
Okay, so now we are moving towards the exercise. Pretty simple exercise it is also, because of the identities we are having. Okay, question number 1. Question number 1, it states we need to find the sum of the following AP. So I am doing the second part of that question. The second part is given AP, that is 37, okay, minus 37, minus 33, and minus 29. This is the AP given to us, and we need to find the sum of this AP till 12 terms. So n is given as 12 and AP is given to us. So n will be 12, A is minus 37, and to find out D, what we are going to do? D2 minus D1. So that will be minus 33 minus 37.
-4.
It will be minus 33 and plus 37. So the difference will be plus 4, not minus 4. Because we are having 37 is the larger number than 33, and sign of the larger number is always there when we have subtraction. Okay, got it?
Yes, sir.
Okay, now we have n, we have A, and we have D as well. So D is 4. So the first formula, S equals to n upon 2 plus 2A plus n minus 1 into D. Now put the values whatever we have. N is given as 12.
12.
So that's 12 upon 2 plus 2A, 2 multiplied by A, and the value of A is 4.
Minus 37.
-37.
7, very good. Plus N.
12
N is
minus
given
1.
as
12 minus 1.
12 -1.
12 minus 1. Very good. And D is given
4.
as
4.
4.
4.
So we have put all the values given to us, and now the calculation is remaining. So 12 upon 2 is 6
6.
plus 2 into 37.
70 minus 74.
Very good. Minus 74 plus that will
11.
be 11 and
11.
multiply by
Multiply
Into
4.
4.
Sn equals to 6 plus it is minus 74 and that will be
Plus 44.
44.
Plus 44.
plus 44. So that is 6 and minus
Minus ka
74 plus
30.
44 it will be
Minus ka
Minus
30.
का 30.
minus 30 and the subtraction will be
180.
24
24.
minus 24 because 30 is the larger number having subtraction sign minus sign. So we have sum of these terms is minus 24. दिख रहा है सबको?
Yes, sir.
Good.
Sir, done.
Okay. Easy था ना?
Yes, sir.
Good.
Sir,
सर एग्जाम में क्वेश्चन करने से पहले आइडेंटिटीज और ये जो फॉर्मूलाज होते हैं लिखने पड़ेंगे. एक्सक्यूज मी सर.
जानवी सर का अनम्यूट है.
So the other three parts of this question number 1, the parts are part 1, part 3 and part 4. That will be in
Sir?
your homework. हाँ जी.
सर सेकंड का आंसर भी गलत आ रहा है.
अभी इसका भी करना था क्या?
माइनस का 180 आ रहा है.
अच्छा जी, एक सेकंड रुको, अब मैं चेक करूं इसको.
सर n अपॉन 2 इनटू ब्रैकेट वाली ब्रैकेट्स होती है ना, प्लस नहीं होता.
n upon 2, 12 upon 2, 2a, 2 into 37 minus 74. That is 12 minus 1, 11 into 4, 44. That is 30. एक सेकंड रुको.
सर फॉर्मूला में n अपॉन 2 प्लस की जगह n अपॉन 2 इनटू ब्रैकेट वाली टर्म्स होती है ना.
आइडेंटिटी है. Right. So identity में यही था. So that will be 6 into minus 30. So that is 30 into 6 minus 1.
180.
So the rest 3 questions will be done in practice, and now the class is, I'm going to over this class. The remaining question will be done in the next class. Okay?
Okay sir. Good day sir.
Sir, we have to rejoin.
नहीं 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 अभी.
Good day sir.